Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to disable apps from starting when the Windows is starting. So in order to do that, we have to first go to the task manager. Let's make it bigger. Then here you'll be able to see this option called startup apps. Click here. And then here you'll see all the apps that can affect your startup. So let's click on the status. Click again and you'll see like these are the apps that are enabled. So when your Windows is loading, it is going to impact that, it's going to impact. So the things that you don't need when you start your laptop, you just start to disable them. So right click here and click disable. I'm not using Microsoft Copilot, so same goes for to do. I'm going to disable phone link, disable Xbox, disable Slack. I do use Grammarly. I do use Filmora. I don't use disable. Google Drive is important to me. Steam, when I play games, I will just open it. And same goes for the OneNote. I don't use it that much. So these are the couple of the options that are important to me. So I have them as enabled. So so this is how you disable the apps from starting. After you do that, you'll have to restart your laptop or desktop, and then you'll see like the next time your PC will load faster. It will take less seconds to launch your laptop. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.